What are your passions? What are your values? What are your lifestyle goals? What are your dreams? What are you when you're not in a role? Hi, I'm Amelia Abel from New Horizons Lifestyle, and I'm going to explore today about being authentically you and living life from your authentic passions. First and foremost, you don't just have one passion. You have numerous passions. For example, I'm passionate about dance. I'm passionate about entrepreneurship. I'm passionate about raising a younger generation of children to be authentically passionate and world leaders. I'm passionate about lots of other things. And they don't all fit together neatly in one little box and create one seamless human being without tension. Those passions are competing for attention, and that's okay. That makes me the human being that I am. But what about you? This is not about me. I say that to give you an example. You are not a VP of sales. You are not a soccer coach. They are roles that you play. And you need to be authentically you and use those roles as the vehicle for you to be authentically you. The world needs you to be authentically you. Otherwise, it's missing a unique input into the world. We're all so unique and so different, and you need to identify with your uniqueness and your true value and your true passions, because you will attract those people to you and create a community of like-minded, like-hearted people. And they need you. They need your passion to drive and encourage them, as you need the passion and encouragement of others to assist you. So I challenge you today. What are your passions? What are your values? What are your lifestyle goals? What are your dreams? What are you when you're not in a role? Some of you may have even been in an incubation period. Perhaps you were a mother and weren't able to work to your fullest capacity. And what you've done in that time you wouldn't have done had you not been a mother. But what has that caused you to become? What has that taught you about yourself? What skills have you learned that you would not have had you not done that? It's time to break out. It's time to go and you're metamorphosing now. You've been in that incubation period, and now be you. Be authentically you. No one likes a counterfeit. People can smell fake a million miles away. Be you and be happy. Live your best life. I'd love to hear what your true passions are, what you value, and if you like, we can even have a conversation on how you can find a vehicle that'll give you the expression of that. Have a great day, guys, and I look forward to your comments.